this is an opportunity for us to create something special and unique in Frisco. We wanted it to be all-encompassing, and we wanted it to be something for all students as we looked into the way that we were going to develop this entire project from the beginning.
And to just watch it go up as rapidly as it has, even with some of the weather constraints that we've had, is pretty amazing. Yeah, it's a cool system to watch, not only from the construction standpoint of it, or constructability, but it's going to be really cool to see that from the acoustic aspect too.
Theater was my art in high school, and so being able to see the design process for them and being able to go back in time and remember when I was in competitions and remembering, oh yes, this was the process and how we did things, and here's things that would have been better when, in my experience in being in that competition, was really good to look back on as we were going through the design process.
I think just collaborative is probably the best word to use. It's not adversarial, it's here we're all on the same team to get the building built correctly, how the owner wants, how the design is, but then also constructible for us. So that's what I appreciate.
It didn't hurt that everyone was incredibly excited about being a part of this project. So once we were awarded the work, frankly, then it became a lot easier because people were very enthusiastic about wanting to be a part of it.